Hi guys, if you want to know how to add a multi-language button or drop-down for your website in Wix Studio, you are in the right place. Go to your dashboard or click on the plus in the left top corner. Scroll down until you see multilingual, click on it and then click on add to site. It will automatically forward you to your dashboard. If you went directly to the dashboard before, you will see on the left sidebar under website content multilingual, and you will also come to this site. Here you will see your current language. You're using the original one. In my case it's English, the language, code, flag and the words of course. Just click on the button add language. I'm gonna add my mother language German, so I'm choosing here German, also the correct flag, and then I can choose between manual translation and machine translation. I'm gonna choose manual translation and yes, make it visible right away. Just click on add language and then you can see here the button for edit translations. Click on it and here you have a great overview about all the text and words in your website. You can change them one by one. I'm gonna show you how to do it by translating the sentence, learn how to use Wix to build stunning websites. I'm gonna translate it and type in, lerne wie man atemberaubende Webseiten mit Wix erstellt. Let's also translate about us to German, über uns. If you're finished, just click on save. Close the window and then click on the plus in the left top corner again. Under multilingual, you now unlock the options to add a button or a drop-down to your Wix website. Choose the one you like the most, find a great position, resize it, and then test it out in your preview mode. In case the button or drop-down is grayed out in the preview mode or after publishing, select it, click on Manage Menu, Add Language, and save it, close it, and then try again in the preview mode. And now it should be working. Thank you for watching and see you next time.